So the people that say there's no money in Instagram and social media, they don't know what the hell they're talking about, because there's a lot of money to be made from it. Because if we're going into business page or personal page, I would say that that's usually Facebook. I would say that put everything onto Instagram. And the reason why is because Instagram, if we're using, if you're in real estate in some sort of way, or if you're localized mostly in your company, which I would assume most people are local, like you're in a specific area. This is like why it works for real estate. It works for, coffee shops. It works for yoga studios. All of those is Facebook doesn't allow you to find people geo-targeted as the same way that you can with Instagram. Like I can literally find your perfect client within probably a minute and a half, no matter where you live in the world. I want to sell $1 million house. Okay. People who have boats have more expendable money. So I'm going to go on Instagram and I'm going to find all of the people who are checking in at all of the boating places, all of the country clubs, all of the expensive restaurants. But I'm just going to take the certain piers where I can look and see that somebody has a 55-foot Hatteras, because that's like a multi-million-dollar boat. And I'm going to just say, hey, man, that's a beautiful sailfish that you got. Where'd you catch it? They say where they caught it. We get into a conversation. And then I'm like, hey, man, we should meet up for coffee sometime. And you think that's awkward, but it's actually really not. Like it's not, nobody thinks you're picking them up, any of that type of stuff. We should meet for coffee sometime. I have some people I want to connect you with that I think would be incredible for you and what you do, because you find out what they do, where they're from. You go and you get coffee with them and you connect them with 3 people. Just find 3 people for them that you think would be valuable for them in some sort of way, and then leave. And why do you want to do that? The reason why is because with the law of reciprocity, they want to then do the same. So if you introduce them to 3 people, everybody, what do they want to do? They want to introduce you to 3 people. If they know that you're a real estate agent and they like you, they're probably going to start sending you some referrals. So how did somebody get 19 pre-approved buyers? The way that they did it was by connecting with tons of people from Instagram, getting tons of coffee. During a pandemic was getting coffee with people, which means that like once that's gone, he's going to be able to get a whole lot more. And he was able to get really qualified people because he was getting people who are checking in at the most expensive places in a city.
Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. There should be a link either above or below, depending on where you're watching this. Please click that link and follow the instructions. And don't forget, like and follow us on all our social media outlets if you've liked what you've seen here. And share this with anybody that you think would find it valuable. Thank you and have a great day.